Good morning. So today is a new day, of course, and me and Joe are working on these displays for like all the kitchenware and stuff that we're putting in the gallery side. And we are waiting on our desks, which are supposed to be coming today. I'm so excited because we've been waiting fucking forever for them. Guys, the desks are here. They're so fucking sexy. Are you kidding me? They're like delivering the other one right now. They're getting it from the truck. It came in twice and came in damaged. Like they cracked in like the middle of these pieces. First reaction, what do we think? Gorgina? Everybody's like getting situated. Delody's like cleaning for some reason. I'm not sure. She's going on a cleaning spree. The mirror for the bathroom came in. The shelves for all of like the kitchenware and stuff came in. It's right here. These chrome shelves in the kitchen. So all the unique like dishware and cups and all that shit for like the bar and kitchen is gonna be there. Me and Maya are on our way to this really cool place to look at some furniture, and I gave her a compliment and I said she's doing a really good job at her, marketing job at Bilal Rehman Studio. And this bitch starts crying. She said, "You don't compliment me enough." What? She is so funny. Maya's been killing it. Maya's been busting her ass making this marketing shit happen. I am so in love with everything that we're doing. I think we have such a great team. Maya is such a great marketing director. I honestly could not do it without her. She's like having a mental breakdown in the corner. So we just left the furniture place, and it literally was like a giant warehouse just full of furniture stacked on top of each other. I'm sure there were so many hidden gems that like you can't even see, or that have been damaged now just from the way it was stored. We did find some goodies, and we got a few things. The dishware displays at the gallery, and look how cute it's coming out. I'm actually obsessed with this. Stupid bitch will not let me go. I'm like trying to reverse, and she's reversing at the same time as me. Look at her. Oh my god, this bitch is so annoying. Oh my god, if you have a sibling, you understand the frustration. Right now, I want to jump out of this car and beat this bitch's ass. She's so fucking irritating. Take a last minute trip to Austin. Is that Maya in the back? Scavenging? Put them titties away. Put them titties away, girl. We gotta censor that part of the vlog. We decided to go to Austin to find some stuff for the gallery this weekend. Good morning. It is our first morning in Austin, and we wanted to come to Alfred's just to grab some coffee. How crazy this bathroom is, oh my gosh. I feel like I can't. This is exactly what I needed. I got the lavender iced latte, and Sebastian got the chugachino, and that has like mushrooms inside of it, so he's gonna be high as fuck. Woo! The quick outfit change. I went from one black shirt to another black shirt. We are going to meet Maya and Alfredo at, what is the name of the place? What the fuck? It's Korean barbecue. I think it's Gangnam or something like that in South Austin. We're gonna pig out, and then we're probably gonna go ride scooters around town. Ready to eat, look at this shit, oh my god. Oh my god, I am ready. This is where we came. Yum yum. So dinner was great, of course, Korean barbecue, hello. But me and Sebastian are so stuffed, and so we decided to scooter around Austin because I guess Austin people like nature, and so they have outdoors shit to do. Fucking horses are going up the staircase. The horses are going up the fucking staircase. What the fuck? Oh my god, how cute. Hunt to find you guys some cool stuff for the gallery. I stumbled across this place called Uncommon Objects here in Austin, and apparently they have a whole bunch of weird shit, just unique pieces, and apparently they have like a section that's like all haunted, so we will be avoiding that because we don't do the creepy jeepy shit. Okay, bye. Bitch. Oh no, I know what he's about to do. He's about to unhinge that fucking jaw. Common Objects was a success. We got one really cool piece that I think is super, super fabulous and needed to be in the gallery. And it was a great price, which means it's a great price for you guys, which we love. And now we're on our way to just pick up Maya, and then we have to start the treacherous journey back home. I'm at Buc-ee's, and guess who's here? The Beast. The Beast is out. He's doing a meet and greet. Oh yeah, he's real famous. People are taking pictures with him. He has his own security guard. Look at him in his uniform. And the pushpin boards are finally up. We have been waiting for this for like months because we're going insane with like fabrics and stuff everywhere. Put up our first thing in the office on our inspiration boards, which I think will do this, which is the inspiration for a living room that we're working on. All right, are you ready? You gotta record this moment. Okay, we're gonna put it up. Is this too tall for you? Should we go down here? Can you reach this? No, for real.
No, I think I can.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a little stool.
All right. All right, so me and, oh, excuse the trash pile. a lot of shit has been happening in the office. Me and Debony are gonna go to a few stores. I think we're gonna go to Restoration Hardware and a couple Italian furniture stores just to kind of browse for this project that we're working on. It's kind of like an Italian villa style project. And so we just wanted to kind of gather some selections so that we can go ahead and create the presentation for phase 1 of this space. All right, we are starting our journey at my favorite Restoration Hardware. I'm trying to decide between this mirror right here or this one. This is like the iconic one that everybody and their mom has in their house, but then this is like a different version of it, which I think is really cool. Debony likes this one as well, but we're torn. All right guys, we're gonna go outside. We're on the 3rd floor right now. It's hot as fuck in Houston. We have like a heat advisory wave, whatever, but we need to look at some outdoor furniture for this project, so we're gonna, oh, fuck these damn doors. It's a push, not, oh no, it's a pull, not a push. Ooh. Oh, it's too fucking hot. Let's go back inside. I can't. I don't want to do this. I don't like building furniture.
Hire cost from it.
That's a great idea, actually. Why did I think of that? It took me 5 minutes to screw this shit in. One screw. And the second one took another 5 minutes. So I'm 10 minutes on this corner. Do you see how many corners we have? There's like 12. Okay, so excuse the fucking crazy ass hair. We've had a long, long day, but we made a lot of progress in the gallery, which you guys will see. But Debony brought some tres leches for the entire office, and we don't have plates because we're unprepared. So we're putting them all in these Bilal Rehman coffee cups, but I think it's fine. We have plastic forks. Yes, no, maybe? I see a little box, but I don't know. Yes, okay. So we have plastic utensils. I'm excited to try it. It looks so fucking good. Yum, yum. Yum.
Yeah, there was a bigger one, but it was way too big.
She was? Let's go. Let's hand it off to the team. Let's try it. Today's been a fucking day. That bookshelf really took it out of me. The manager and the accountant are hard at work. They're snuggling for a little nappy. I got stuck on the hangers. Oh yeah. Yes. Bombastic side eye. Bombastic side eye.
Well, what are your vlogs?
All right, me and Debony are on our way to, believe it or not, IKEA of all places, because we are going to get some stuff for the office space, like a little bit more like organizational stuff. We've made it. This elevator is like a bedroom, honestly. It's a fucking huge ass elevator. Let's see what they got. They have a horror. Oh my fucking god. They have a horse collection. My brain. What the hell is this? What the fuck is that? We're in the kitchen stuff right now, and I feel like we need stuff for the office kitchen, like a bottle opener. I feel like this trip to IKEA signifies a special moment in me and Debona's relationship. Because, like, you don't go to IKEA with just anybody, you know? Like, IKEA...
I'm telling you, I haven't been here in years.
Yeah. IKEA is like somewhere you go with somebody really special. So, you know, Debona's like stuck here now. She can't go anywhere. What is this ugly sock thing that's made its way through the entire IKEA store? I think we've seen 6 of them. Oh my god, there's pink toilet paper. Bring it. Bring it. We need 2 packs. So they had this really cool bulb, and I feel like it would be really interesting in a lamp, but they only have it on display, and so I want to unscrew it. Do they even have them? They don't even have them, so even if I wanted it, I couldn't get it. But it's this really cool, like, bulb. Do they have them here? What is the point of living? They don't even have them. Building a gallery wall for the library. And I think we've really figured out, like, the style that we want. So I think it's gonna be something more like this kind of vibe. Excuse the crazy hair, I don't know what's going on with it. But this is basically what we're doing. This is what design is all about. IKEA was a success, as you can tell. We have everything that we could possibly fucking need, less than $1,000 spent, so I am happy. I don't know who the fuck is gonna build it, because I'm not building it, and Debona's not building it, and Joe won't build it. Maya for sure is not building it. As we just got onto the elevator, it's like 10:30 at night, and this random dog is on the elevator by itself and like running through the hallways, I guess trying to find its home. So we're gonna take it to the concierge to see if they can help us figure out whose it is.
No, there's nobody there.
Hi, baby. Okay, so we found the owner. So the owner came from the lobby and was like, oh, thank you. Girl, what is your dog doing riding the elevator by itself? What the fuck is going on? The dog was like on floor 18, on floor 20, floor 16, floor 12. Guess where she lives? Guess where she lives? Floor 5. Make it make sense.